Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, unlatch and remove the base cover and front bezel of the system. Then, flip the front panel over to access the internal components of the system. Identify the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and unlatch the unit to remove it. To reinstall the power supply unit, relatch it back to the system, reconnect the cables, and install the 3 screws. Flip the front panel over and latch the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.